is Alan. I'm from Zacatecas, Mexico. I'm 35 years old, and well, currently I have a small cleaning business in Mexico. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Well, I first found out that I had RP. Well, the first symptom I've never seen, during nighttime. I always had a night blindness, but I found out when I was 25. I started getting, my vision was reducing, and I started getting flashes and started getting, floaters and stuff. So I went to the doctor. This was in the States when I went to the doctor. So they told me I had RP, that there was no cure, and well, I got really, depressed. I got really sad. But I just think I didn't hold on to that idea. I was like, I know there's no cure scientifically. I'm going to find something. And I started searching. And usually, well, what happens to me, I have floaters, I have flashes, I've got an edema on my left eye, macular edema. And usually what I struggle with is, walking. All my lower parts of my legs are all, with bruises and stuff, because I'm always hitting myself. My arms too, I've hit myself in the head and the face several times because I'm not able to see certain things. So yeah. I saw Dr. Yu on YouTube, and I got really excited. This was like six years ago. Like I said, I was diagnosed around 2015. So we're talking about 8 years ago. So 6 years ago, I found him on YouTube. Ever since then, I've been watching all his videos. I've seen all his videos. And when I came in here, I saw him, he was eating a sandwich outside. And I recognized him, obviously, because of the videos. And I just felt so happy to see him, face to face. It was like a dream come true. It was awesome. So yeah, I first found them, and I just watched the testimonials, and the people that give their testimonials, it's information that you just can't make up. It's a specific information that just the people who have RP know, and how it feels like to have it. So yeah. Well, this is my 9th day. I've got just today and tomorrow to go, and then I'll be heading back home. And yes, first when I was flying here, I was thinking about it. I didn't know what to expect. I was a little bit scared, but then when I got here, just hearing the stories of other people, the first day, it made me feel very hopeful, about what was coming next. I think I probably met around 10 to 15 people, and all of them have gotten, very good results. For me right now, the biggest thing that I've seen, I was walking at Queen Elizabeth Park the other day, and as I was walking, there was like a white line on the floor. And then I just passed by it, and I jumped because I thought I was going to trip over something. And I was like, wait, I just saw that, and that was great. And like, I've been walking, Vancouver is very walkable, so I've been doing a lot of walking, so something keeps making me look down, because I see something, in my lower area. So that this area has opened up a bit, which, for us people who have RP, every little improvement is something huge, due to the fact that in other places you don't get any hope. Doctors and science doesn't have anything for you. So this, for me, it's really big. Also, I've been noticing I don't have to use like my phone. Usually I use it with the brightness to, at the full range, or whatever you call it. But now I can see my phone, with little or lower light. Also, where I'm staying, the house is pretty dark in some places, and I've been seeing better. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to go home and see and continue seeing other improvement. Okay, I actually, this is my first time doing acupuncture and herbs and all that stuff, and it's great. I love it. I like it. I like it. I like the idea, of getting healed with no side effects. Usually you would get like normal medicine, but other things can happen to you taking those medicines. I like it. Like I said, it's my first time, but I'm very interested in keeping on doing this treatment. Since I was diagnosed, I was really, I felt a lot of fear. You think about your future. I have kids, and I was thinking about who's going to take care of them. How am I going to feed them in the future and help them with school and everything. Yeah, there's always fear, but at some point this doctor told me, you can't do anything about it. So like I said, I've never hold on to that idea. I always thought there was something I could do. So now that I found Dr. Yu's treatment, and I've seen so many people have been healed, you don't believe it until you see it, and I've seen it. I've seen people heal here, and now I feel a lot of I feel very happy about my future. I feel very confident, and I've always been positive about this. I've tried to keep my mindset into not thinking about it all day as, oh, I'm gonna be blind, and I think that if I would have been in that situation thinking about it, in a negative way, I think that by now I would have less vision than what I have, and I think I've kept good vision because of my positive mindset. And now that I've been here, it's way better, way more positive, I'm really happy. Actually, these days this trip was excellent. I've learned a lot. I've been learning tons of information, so yeah. Well, like you said, it's a big family. It's a big RP family. Not only RP, I've seen people with macular degeneration, glaucoma, and other things, and I've seen them heal here. So it's been great. It's been great meeting all these people. They are a big inspiration for me. All their stories are, just being here and hearing all these stories and meeting people that that we can share the same things, the same experiences. It's been great. It's been great. Yeah, this place it has been awesome. Yeah, and like you said, people from all around the world, and kids, and just seeing their smile on their face, because they're seeing improvement. That's awesome. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, well, like I felt a bit nervous about coming. This works. This is real. It's not made up. I've seen it with my own eyes. Yeah, I would like to just tell people to not be afraid. There is a solution. I mean, I'm not trying to say doctors aren't good. They're great. I mean, but sometimes they can tell you there's nothing to do while there is a solution. Dr. Yu has come up with this great treatment, and it's giving hope to a lot of people. So definitely don't think about it, and give yourself the chance. Your eyes are worth it.